Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. The sense of determination is palpable as the lumberjack swings his axe, each strike cutting through the thick bark with practiced precision. The air is thick with the fresh scent of newly felled wood, mixing with the steady hum of the chainsaw, its rhythmic buzz like the heartbeat of the forest. Every precise cut paints a vivid picture of raw strength meeting relentless effort. It's not just about chopping down trees. It's about shaping the landscape with sheer perseverance, turning towering giants into manageable pieces. Watching the skilled movements, you can't help but feel inspired by the steady focus and tireless drive. Each swing, each cut driven by years of experience and a deep-rooted connection to the land. The sight of those massive trees falling one after the engine, a deafening symphony of raw power, echoes through the air as the massive steel beasts come to life. These towering machines, where sheer brute strength meets precision, are more than just tools. They are the heartbeat of modern timber extraction. The ground shakes beneath their tires as they glide over rugged terrain, tearing through dense forests like giants cutting through vines. With each precise movement, these beasts carve their way through towering trees, transforming them into manageable pieces with incredible accuracy. It's a sight that captivates. The artistry of skilled hands guiding machines to shape nature's giants into something useful, yet leaving behind the untouched majesty of the forest. Watching one of these lumberjacks, a master of his craft, methodically bring down a massive, strong tree feels like witnessing nature's grand dance. Raw strength combined with focused precision. It's a performance of skill, power, and sheer determination, leaving you both in awe and excited to see what these incredible machines can do next. The sharp, rhythmic sound of the saws, combined with the unwavering focus of these loggers, completely captivates me. I just can't look away. It draws me in more and more every day, leaving me hooked on witnessing these incredible moments. It's a sight that truly mesmerizes, as their precision and relentless effort transform ordinary trees into neatly cut logs. The way they work with such efficiency, blending strength and skill, feels almost hypnotic. Each cut slices through the wood with precision, like watching an artist carefully shaping a masterpiece. It's mesmerizing, like something out of a dream, where every saw rev, every wood chip flying into the air, feels like part of a larger symphony. These moments pull me in deeper, leaving me spellbound. It's the kind of magic that keeps me watching, completely captivated by the raw energy and artistry of their craft. In action, truly transforming the work of woodworkers by saving them countless hours and effort. The precision and speed with which they cut are remarkable, effortlessly slicing through logs, producing perfectly uniform planks that come rolling off one after another. It's like watching a well-oiled machine in motion, a seamless dance between man and machine, where every move is calculated and efficient. These machines take the grunt work out of the equation, turning what used to be backbreaking labor into something smooth and streamlined. It's as if they brought a touch of magic to the workshop, making the once tedious task of cutting wood feel almost easy. The constant hum of the saw blades slicing through the grain, combined with the steady stream of perfectly shaped planks, makes it impossible not to be amazed. It's like watching a well-choreographed performance, each cut precise, each result satisfying. It's no wonder these machines have become such an essential part of woodworking. Efficiency meets artistry in every perfectly crafted board that emerges. Do you hear it? That distinct sound, tin-cat like an old door creaking open, it pulls me in completely mesmerized. The way the wood splits apart with each clean, precise cut is simply intoxicating. It's like witnessing nature surrender under the power of the saw, piece by piece, smoothly and effortlessly. Every sharp crack of the grain being tamed, every clean line emerging, feels so satisfying it's hard to look away. It's a rhythm, one that gets under your skin, making you crave more. The sheer force combined with the finesse of each cut is awe-inspiring. Watching the thick logs yield to the saw's relentless pull feels almost surreal, like a force of nature itself being shaped. I can't stop. Every split, every This wood chipping machine is designed to handle even the most challenging tasks with ease. It's amazing to think about having to deal with those stubborn tree stumps. What a hassle. But wait, here comes Cavalry D to the rescue. Their earth-moving machines make it all look so simple. Those stumps don't stand a chance. It's like a dream come true for farmers. No more backbreaking work, just pure satisfaction. Removing tree stumps feels almost routine, like chopping wood, until suddenly, something extraordinary is about to happen. It's an exciting moment, watching how this machine not only saves time, but also eliminates the need for manual labor. Every chip and shred is a testament to the efficiency and power Oh man, Perkins is snoring. Impossible to miss anything with that. Look over there, TT4 tackling the mountain. An absolute game changer. This beast is built for tough terrain, gliding over rugged mountain roads like it was made for them. It handles every curve, every bump with such ease, like it's dancing across the landscape. Watching it in action, you can't help but be amazed by the sheer power and precision. It's more than just a machine. It's a force of nature, designed to conquer the toughest conditions, turning rugged landscapes into smooth, manageable pathways. Each pull through those rocky slopes feels effortless, like the machine itself is part of the mountain, moving it with grace and strength. Take a look at this beast. Its raw power and incredible sound are unlike anything you've ever seen. Have you ever come across any time to watch the video and show your support? Every view, every kind word from you is such a big motivation that drives me to keep creating and improving content. I hope you'll leave some messages and honest feedback to help me grow and make content that better suits your needs. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and all the best in life.